Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Are you a teacher or do you have another reason to write in red? I want to show you this R.S.V.P pen from Pentel. This is an awesome option for a lot of reasons. So first of all, it is a really nice writing pen. It writes super smooth. It's very comfortable. It does come in other color options as well if you want a different color. So this is a refillable pen and it's pretty easy to unscrew the end here and open it up to refill your ink. And it definitely lasts for a long time, and I really appreciate that it has this little rubber grip at the end, so when you're writing it's super comfortable and you tend to get less fatigued while writing. I like a fine tip pen. This is a fine tip 0.7 millimeters, so it's nice and small, so I appreciate that when you're writing notes. You can get a lot of notes in a small space, so I like that. And overall, I have just been really happy with this pen. So if you need a red pen for whatever reason, this is a great option. It is a really nice ballpoint pen, lasts a long time, super comfortable, very clear writing, and that's my point of view.